In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment to Panda Pandadoc. To get started, sign in to your Pandadoc workspace and go to the Templates area. This is where you manage reusable documents, like proposals, contracts, or invoices. Find the template you want to accept payments on and open it so you are in the template editor. Make sure you are editing the correct version, since any changes you make here will apply the next time you use this template. Once your template is open, you will add a payment section to the page. Look to the right-hand sidebar for the content blocks. You will see a plus icon, which is where you can access different blocks you can drag into your document. Locate the payment block, then click and drag it onto the page in the spot where it makes the most sense, usually near the pricing or signature area. Place it carefully so it is easy for your recipient to notice when they are ready to complete the document. After you drop the payment block onto the page, connect it to a payment gateway. Click directly on the payment block, then select Setup. From there, choose your payment provider, such as Stripe. If your account is not already connected, follow the prompts to link your provider so Pandadoc can process payments for this document. This connection is required before the payment block can function properly. Next, set the amount to be collected. Click the payment block again, then open Settings. In the Settings panel, enter the total amount. Take a moment to confirm the value is correct, including any taxes, discounts, or fees you intend to charge, since this is the amount your recipient will see when they pay. Finally, assign who will pay. With the payment block selected, choose Recipient, then select the appropriate role, such as Client. This step ensures the correct signer or recipient is responsible for completing the payment, which is especially important if your template is sent to multiple people. Once these pieces are in place, your template is ready to accept payments through the connected provider. That covers everything you need to know.